Welcome to Excellent Tutorial. In this video, we'll revise Preboard 2024 Math MCQs in a quick and easy way, with smart tricks to score full marks for your ICSE Class 10 2026 boards. Watch carefully, follow the shortcuts, and let's make the revision fast and effective.
Preboard question 2024. Shikha purchases an article for rupees 61,600 which includes 10% GST, the amount of SGST. Generally, you are doing 10% of 61,600 is 6160. This is GST, then SGST by 2, that is your 3080. But this is wrong because this is the price including GST. So what is this is the price including GST? Price plus GST. Price plus GST is your 61600. So this is your 10% of price. This is your 10% of price. GST is 10% of price. So this is your price and this is your price. Now price equal to this much. GST is 10%, means GST equal to 10% of this one. So this is your how much? 10% means this is 0 will be cancelled. So this is your 61600 by 11. That is equal to 11 5 is 55. 11 6 is 66 00. This is the GST. SGST equal to by 2. That means 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 4. SGST is 5600 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 2 ja 4. 2 8 ja 60. 2 0 ja 0. So 2800 is your GST. Next question is, which of the following equation has 2 as a root? 2 as a root means here put the value 2 as a, this is your 4 minus 8 plus 5 not equal to 0. This is your 4 plus 6 minus 12 not equal to 0. This is your 4 to the 8 minus 14 plus 6. This is equal to 0. So answer is your this one. If x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square plus px minus 2, the value of p. This is factor remainder theorem. Factor remainder theorem. X minus 2 is a factor, that means x equal to 2. Now put the value. This is your 2 into x cube means 8 minus 2 square is 4 plus 2p minus 2 equal to 0. So this is your 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is your 16. 6 minus 4 2. 12 plus 2p minus 2 equal to 0. So this is your p equal to 12 minus 2 10. 10 by 2 5. Only 5. This is your 5. This is the answer. This is your 2p plus 10 equal to 0. So 2p equal to minus 10. P equal to minus 5. P equal to minus 5 answer. Question number 4. If x, 3, 12, y are in continued proportion, then continued proportion, that means x by 3 equal to 3 by 12 implies x by 3 equal to 1 by 4 implies x equal to 3 by 4. S equal to 3 by 4. This one S equal to 3 by 4. Only this one is S equal to 3 by 4. So answer is C. Next question is question number 5 in equation. This is given. This is less than 2. This is greater than equal to minus 3. This is your less than 2. This is your greater than equal to minus 3. This is your x. X greater than equal to minus 3, less than 2. This one, first one only. Next question 6, matrix. Question is here, if a matrix P is of the order 1 into 2, 1 by 2 and matrix Q is the order 2 by 1, then the matrix QP. We have to find matrix QP. QP, order of matrix QP will be, number of row will be number of row of Q, number of column will be number of column of P. Q, number of row of Q is 1 and number of row of Q is 2, this one, and number of column of P is 2, this one, so 2 by 2. So how many element? 2 by 2 means 2 into 2, that is 4 element, this one. Next question is arithmetic progression, AP, question number 7. An equal to, N is your 5n plus 1, that means A2 equal to 10 plus 1, 11. A1 equal to 5 plus 1, 6. So difference is your 11 minus 6, 5. Now question number 8. Which of the following is invariant when reflected in the line y plus 2 equal to 0? Y plus 2 equal to 0 invariant means there will be no change. That means any point on which y coordinate is minus 2 is an invariant. Y coordinate minus 2. So this one. The slope of line x minus 1 is dash. The slope of line x minus 1 is dash. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. This is x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x minus 1 equal to 0. That means y equal to mx plus c. Here there is no y coordinate, mx plus c. That means this is x minus 1 equal to 0. That means y is your 0. This is your x equal to 1. This is your x equal to 1. This is x coordinate y. X equal to 1. X equal to 1 means this is parallel to y axis. This is your x equal to 1 line. And here this is your 90 degree. So m equal to 10 90 degree. 10 90 degree means sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree, that is equal to your 1 by 0. That is infinite. So not defined. Now share and dividend. Kamala buys X number of shares at par of certain company paying Y percentage dividend, the rate of return. At par. If MB equal to NB, then this is your at par. If MB greater than NB, then this is your above par. If MB less than NB, then this is your below par. MB, here MB equal to NB, this is the rate at par is given, so MB equal to NB. So here equal to y percentage. This one, A is the answer. Dividend percentage and return percentage must be equal. Now question number 11. Question number 11, given that the equation of the line from the given figure below, the center of the triangle AOB. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. This is your s coordinate, then y coordinate, then z coordinate. See, this is your s coordinate and y coordinate is your y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now s coordinate, this is your 0, 4, and this is your b coordinate is your 3, 4. So s coordinate is x1 and this is your 0, 0. x1 is 0 plus 3 plus this is x1 is 0, then again 0 plus 3 by 3. So s coordinate is 1. S coordinate is 1, this one only. Only D is s coordinate 1. So answer is D. Now question number 12. If the scale factor is 1:50,000 and the distance between two cities is 2 cm, then actual distance. Formula is scale factor equal to actual distance by map distance. Actual distance by map distance. Map distance is given 2 cm and scale factor is your 50,000. So this is your 50,000 into map distance is given 2 cm into 2 cm equal to actual distance. That is your 2, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. That is equal to actual distance is your 1. This is your 100 kilometer. 100. This is 1, 2, 3. 100. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Now 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So this is your 1, 2, 3 into 100 centimeter. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is your 1 lakh. 1 lakh centimeter is your 1 kilometer. So this is 1 lakh 32050. So this is your 1 kilometer. So answer is 1 kilometer. Question number 13. If the curved surface area of a cylinder is 44 meter square, volume 22 meter cube, find the height. What is the formula for curved surface area? Curved surface area equal to 2 pi RH and volume equal to pi r square h. This is given 44 and this is given 22. So what is the h? 2 pi RH by r square h. Now how can you find h? Divide CSM. Yes, see. Let's divide CSA divided by volume. CSA divided by volume is your 2 pi RH divided by pi r square h. CSA is given 44 and volume is given 22 equal to, this is your 2 by r. This is 22, 2 is 44. So r equal to how much? Implies r equal to 1. Now r equal to 1. Put the formula here. 2 pi RH equal to 44. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 1 into h equal to 44. From this formula we will get h equal to, this is 22 to the 44, so this is your 7, h equal to 7 meter. Now question number 14. Three observations x, y, z are arranged in ascending order so that the mean is 1000 and the median is 800. Find the value of x plus z. Now mean is given 1000, that means x plus y plus z by 3 equal to given 1000, that means x plus y plus z equal to 3000, and median is given 800, that means middle one is given 800, so y equal to 800. Now y equal to 800, so x plus z equal to 3000 minus 800. So this is your 2200. Answer is this one, 2200. Next one, 15 number is accession is given. This is 7 minus 14, 28 and minus 56, 112 are in GP. The terms of a GP cannot have both positive and negative numbers. So this is your true. Why? Minus 14 by 7 equal to minus 2 and minus 56 by 28 also minus 2, 28 by minus 14 also minus 2. So this is ratio is minus 2 same, so this is your GP. But the term of a GP cannot have both positive and negative numbers. This is false. It can be positive and negative numbers. Write your mark out of 15. How much did you get?